Let's do a crypto update. So we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. In the last 72 hours, we've gone from $20,593 all the way down to the low of $15,720. All right, let's put this on the weekly chart so we can get a little bit better view. So we have this downtrend channel that's coming down, drawing off the tops from the November high that connect the top of our March rally. That again connect to the top of our September rally that we have. We've actually broken down and gone through the low support of 17,500, right? That's our low that we set back in June of 2022 in the middle of our summer crash that we've had right here. So let's look at the chart over to the left. So we've finally broken for the first time in the history of Bitcoin and crypto the prior cycle's all-time peak. Right, we were holding strong there around 17,500. We hit it in June, bounced, hit it again in September, and now we just busted through. So let's turn on our volume indicator over here to the side to show us where we think support's at. So this is telling you, you see this box right here. This is telling us that this is where majority of the transactions have occurred. All right, so that's saying that we have support. And the chart lines up with that from $8,000 on Bitcoin, I would say all the way to roughly $12,000. So that's going to be your most likely next place where this stops. You're going to get a pretty rapid decline in the price of Bitcoin from where we're at right now, about 16,000, all the way down to 12,000 to 8,000. And you should expect it to chop sideways from there. I know that's a very bold statement at this point in time, and we've been saying this here on the channel ever since November, that this is where Bitcoin was going to go. Let's take a look at Ethereum really quick. So Ethereum has its own downtrend channel coming off its peak from November 15th. Well, from November 8th, it peaked the same day as Bitcoin did. Ethereum peaked at $48,221, and its low in June was $880. It had a tick down to $880. We've never gotten out of this downtrend channel, just like in Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually broke out of its downtrend channel for a few weeks, the past couple weeks. All right. Ethereum is still holding above its prior cycle all-time high from the last cycle in 2017, 2018. Like I said, this is actually holding up a little bit better. Right. I think Ethereum comes down here, retests the $800 mark. It's really rough, probably closer to 1,000. Right? If you see Ethereum breaking 1,000, you really need to have your mindset right at that point in time. Either you need to take your losses at that point in time, or you need to find cash to be ready to buy. Because if we look at our chart here, the next level of support is not down until you get into the $300, $250 level. So if you can't stomach that move down, you need to be thinking about what you're going to do right now if that happens. Let me know what you guys think below. Leave me a comment, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one.